Y'all motherfuckers want to see a cat go crazy? I show you. First, you get their favorite toy. Then you get the secret stash. Yes, I have to double fucking seal it because this bitch will find it. Catnip! You dunk their favorite toy into the catnip. Like so. Okay, get it nice and coated. I like that. Gotta seal that back up before she gets to it. Yoda! Okay, you see how it's nice and coated with that good premium shit? Sophie, are you ready? Yeah. You want this shit? Huh? You want this shit, bitch?